Hello guys, today we're going to talk about the most important tools you have at your disposal for making your trading decisions. These tools are technical analysis and fundamental analysis. Let's talk about technical analysis first. Economists' conception is that technical analysis is a crystal ball that predicts the future. That's what some people want you to believe. That's not entirely true. Technical analysis is a very important tool to help you make your trading decisions, but it doesn't predict anything in a certain way. So, what is technical analysis exactly and how is it used? Technical analysis is the analysis of the past and present prices of the symbol that you're trading in order to try to understand where the price is at the particular moment that you're looking at it and trying to forecast when it's going to go next. Technical analysis is used to give you better entry points when you enter the market, to give you better exit targets when you're exiting your trade based on technical levels, to give you good breakout scenarios if you do breakout trading, to give you possible retracements of the trend when you're trend trading, and to give you possible reversals if you're buying low and selling high. Let's look at cTrader. At cTrader, we see the chart that I talked about before, which is the main tool when you're doing technical analysis. cTrader gives you all the technical analysis tools that you need to perform a high level of technical analysis, whether it is simple trend lines, and now there is no trend here, or Fibonacci tools, or Andrew's pitchfork, or it is indicators, trend indicators, oscillator, volatility, volume indicators. We're going to do some videos on specific indicators and technical tools in the future on exactly how to use them. So that's it about technical analysis. Let's talk about the second important tool now, which is fundamental analysis. Fundamental analysis is actually a very general term. Fundamental analysis is the analysis of a whole country or economic indicators or any news related to the symbol that we are trading, or anything that is not purely technical. Most commonly, we analyze specific economic indicators and announcements like gross domestic product, unemployment, interest rates, housing, and all the announcements that come into the economic calendar. Traders who trade only on fundamental analysis usually are long-term traders, so they do some trades per year, or maybe some trades one trade per month, or something like that. The reason for that is that even if you know how a country is performing, or you think you know how a currency is going to perform, it's very difficult to pinpoint exactly what's going to happen today or what's going to happen this week. That's specifically true for news that come out, which very often in Forex have the opposite effect. For example, a very good news might come out for USD, but the moment those news come out, USD might fall instead of rise, because people might be expecting this good news and might be buying all this time, but at the time of the announcement, they decided to sell and take their profits. In cTrader, most of our brokers have news in the bottom of the trade watch, so you can see all the latest news that come up. And also you can select to see specific things like the economic indicators, or you can find economic calendars. If your broker is not offering news, ask them to offer. We're integrated with most news providers, so you can find anything you need in cTrader. So how is technical and fundamental analysis combined? Even though there are a lot of traders that are purely technical or purely fundamental, the most logical thing to do is try to understand how both work and keep an eye on both. What's important for fundamental traders, they can use technical analysis to find some, they know from their fundamental analysis that they want to go long or short, but they can find some better entry points and better technical exit points for their strategy. On the other hand, technical traders must surely have an eye on the economic calendar, because at the moment of important news announcements, there is always very high volatility in the market. In today's video, we talked generally about technical and fundamental analysis to explain to people who don't know these concepts how they are and generally how they're used. In the following videos, we're going to go into more depth into technical and fundamental analysis. Next videos coming up are how to make your own trading system, which is combining the basic principles of fundamental technical analysis, and videos about risk management. So, thanks for watching.